Hey guys, welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now, today's video is sponsored by WLUPEL. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get the sponsored video started. And today, you guys, I am doing a cordless vacuum cleaner. It is sponsored from WLUPEL. WLUPEL is an online retailer. They do sell on Amazon as well. And once again, this is that cordless vacuum cleaner. We're going to do a unboxing, but here's the discount code and the link. You guys, make sure you go over and snag you some of these cordless vacs. Here in this home decor world, we do need a cordless vac. And once again, this cordless vacuum cleaner is the Hero 9 household stick. It has 450 watts with a docking station, and this is what it looks like online when you get ready to order it, you guys. It has the 33 kPa and the 25 kPa suction power. I'm telling you guys, this thing is extremely lightweight. It is very efficient, and I'm telling you, you will be amazed. Now, this is my third cordless vac, and I'm thinking by far, I think this is my favorite. It does have a touch screen as well. I am going to include all of WLUPEL's information down in the description box, along with that discount code as well. So make sure you do click on that link to grab you an amazing cordless vac. So with that being said, let's get back into this unboxing. I did include that link in the description. And once again, family, here is that vacuum cleaner in the box. We're going to do a full unboxing, but on the box it does tell you the different functions of this vacuum. And also too, you guys, I will tell you my vacuum did come very quickly. So if you order one, you don't have a long lag time to get it. And you see their logo on the box is simply cleaning. Inside the box, we did get these instructions on how to put the stick vacuum together. You may be like me, you know, we look at instructions, but we really don't read them. But if you've used a cordless vac before, you kind of know the setup. Now I'm going to just pull out all of the attachments and the pieces. They also did send me a second filter, which is superb, you guys, for your cordless vacs. I don't know if you know, but you do have to keep those filters clean as well. And I'm just pulling out all of the pieces. This is that docking station. I will show you where I have it docked. This is the design of the head of that vacuum. And once again, this thing is extremely lightweight. You will enjoy it. Anything that makes our job easier, you guys, is a 10 in my book. But these are the pieces. We're going to go ahead and get them attached. We'll tell you here, with the stick, for some reason I got the stick twisted around in my head, and I could not get it at first to lock in, but you know, it was only about a 10-minute fix. Here are all of the complete, your different nozzles for the different types of cleaning that you can do with it. So, and here's that extra battery pack. But here with this WLUPEL cordless vacuum cleaner, you guys, it is a 33 kPa stick vacuum cleaner. It has 450 watts. It is a handheld vacuum with a LED touchscreen. It has a 55-minute run time. It is great for picking up pet hair. It's good for your carpet, your hardwood, and your vinyl flooring. It comes in this gorgeous color of purple. I am going to let you see the screen once it lights up, as you can see here, and that touch screen, and you do have a total of 4 different functions with your vacuum and your suction. And again, that 33 kPa, that is actual your suction power, which is very, very powerful. It has a upgraded roller for switching between your carpet and your floor. The 3 modes are 33 kPa, 25 kPa, and also 15 kPa, which is your eco mode. 33 is your strong mode. It has a detachable battery, and once again, it has a 4-hour quick charge time. It has a 50-minute run time. It is a one-touch empty, which means you just hit that lever on the vacuum and it will dump out its contents. As you can see here, we already have the light on. Now, don't forget to use the discount code. I do know too, you guys, they do have them on sale right now as well. Make sure you guys catch out WLUPEL for this Black Friday sale as well. Now with that touch screen, you guys, it was actually upgraded to a digital touch screen, but I'm going to just use the vacuum here so you can see. And I'm just playing around with it. And one thing, like I said, I did notice it is extremely lightweight compared to my other 2 cordless vacs. They was a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot heavier. So when I first got it, I will tell you, I was wondering if it was going to have just as much suction. But with that 33 kPa, I'm telling you, the suction did not disappoint, and it picked up just as good as my other vacuums that I did have. I'm also vacuuming the kitchen, and you guys, you know I love Glam. I have traces of glitter everywhere. I did notice that with this vacuum cleaner, it was actually picking up the traces of glitter, so that made it super fantastic. So don't forget, make sure you click that link in the description box. Make sure you go over to WLUPEL's website, go to Amazon, snag you one of these beauties to help keep that house clean and fresh, especially for this Christmas season. And WLUPEL, thank you so very much for reaching out to your girl to do the sponsor video, and I'll see you guys in another.